What is a program? A program is simply a collection of statements or steps that solves a problem and needs to be converted into a language the computer understands to perform tasks. Some people think of a program as being like a cooking recipe. A recipe consists of instructions that a chef executes. Like English being used to describe a recipe, the programming language is just a description of a solution approach to a problem. Why should you learn to program? You should learn to program because programming is foundational. Programming develops structured and creative thinking. Programming makes things easier for you. It can take your career to new heights. Learning how to write is not just for writers, math is not just for mathematicians. We teach these topics because they are foundational to other pursuits. Similarly, computer programming is also foundational. We depend on computer software on everything we do. Computer technology is one of the only fields that connects every profession regardless of what we become in life. When programmers see a problem, they don't start to code right away. They break it down. When you learn programming, you break down every problem, understand better and start thinking logically. This gives rise to a more creative solution. Suppose you have a task on Excel sheet to add the contents of column 2, 3, and 4, and then find the average of the result. If you have to do this task multiple times in a day, every day, it would be chaotic. If you write a small program that can perform these functions all at once, you'll be saving your time, effort, and you'll be 100 times more efficient. Learning to code can open up a world of new options, whether it's moving up, taking on exciting new projects, or making a shift in the work you're doing. I would like to give some examples where many people in non-computing jobs find that knowing some programming can benefit their careers. Eva majored in environmental science. She voluntarily took a programming course in college believing the knowledge and skills could be important to her. She took a job at a startup company doing various marketing tasks. She began to manage the company's website, and realized that a few small programs could make the web pages dynamic and interactive. She wrote the code herself, which was reviewed and approved by the engineering team and became part of the company's live website. She plans on getting a graduate degree in environment science and expects programming will be useful in her research. Kelly majored in chemistry, and now works as a scientist in a pharmaceutical company. Kelly helps analyze clinical trials. Her company uses commercial statistical software, but she found that writing small custom programs yielded even better analyses. Her co-workers now come to her for help. She is glad she took a required programming class in college, though at the time she wasn't as happy about it.
This week, I'm proud to join the students, teachers, businesses, and nonprofit organizations taking big new steps to support computer science in America's schools. Learning these skills isn't just important for your future, it's important for our country's future. If we want America to stay on the cutting edge, we need young Americans like you to master the tools and technology that will change the way we do just about everything. That's why I'm asking you to get involved. Don't just buy a new video game, make one. Don't just download the latest app, help design it. Don't just play on your phone, program it. No one's born a computer scientist, but with a little hard work and some math and science, just about anyone can become one. This week is your chance to give it a shot. And don't let anyone tell you you can't. Whether you're a young man or a young woman, whether you live in a city or a rural area, computers are going to be a big part of your future. And if you're willing to work and study hard, that future is yours to shape. Thanks, everybody.